Hello, this is my new video, and in this video we will learn about the pen tool. And now we have need to start the video. For selecting the pen tool, we can easily select like this from there, and this shortcut or selection to pen tool is P. You can also see there. If we press P, then the pen tool is selected there. Now how to use pen tool we will learn in this video. Firstly, we have to tap from any part of the page that we want to start. So I tap here the starting point, and now you see the blue line which is connecting to the pen hub. Now where I want to point this, if I point this straight line, I will use shift button. Now you see I have hold it that very away from the line, but this is going to on a very straight because I have selected the shift button. So if I not press the shift button, now you see this is going smoothly and not going straight on line. So if I press that, they are like that. Now you see the starting point start from there, and first the starting point, and this is the ending point. Now this line is looking straight, and now I want to press another line, but this line may be looking like different from the first. I press the mouse left button first, and now drag this like this. These are that you seeing these two things. These are handles which are giving direction to the pen tool where you want to make any shape. With the help of handles, you can easily use and understand the pen tool. If you drag this, like I have dragged this in downward direction, means if I drag this in left side, it will go to the right side, makes a shape in right side. If I drag this in right side, it will make a shape in left side. Okay, so this is very easy things, you will easily understand this. Left mouse button. Now this, easily see this. Now this line is looking like a, this line, why this line looking like that? Because of this handle. This handle's direction is like that, that's why this line is looking like that. If I press there, now there's no any handle, that's why this line is looking very straight here. I press there easily. And if you want to exit this line, means you want that now this line stop there, so you can press ESC button or control also for skipping this. So this is a line, and this is the simple use of pen tool. And there's many, some of the part of pen tool like add anchor point and delete anchor point and anchor point tool. So you are thinking that the word anchor point, what is the anchor points? Anchor points are these, the points there, like a joints in body. We have joints in our body, like in elbow, like in legs. So they are performing a role to making any movement. There's these points also making the stability in the this shape. We can also make any changes like this. I have dragged this and I want to do like this. I'm using here the anchor point tool. This shape looks like that. Means with the help of anchor point tool you can make any change with the handles. Okay, so this is a short overview of the pen tool. uh, I will repeat again that with the help of pen tool you can draw anything, any shape, like you want to make any triangle or any other which of type of shape that you want to make, you can use pen tool easily. And the usage of pen tool is also easy, that I have told you that if you drag that in left side it will make a change, make a shape in right side, same wise in left to right. So this is a simple video on that, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.